Welcome to Vargas University Video Shorts, and today we will explore how you can create blend text effect to create graphic components. To get started, open a new file up in Illustrator. Once you have your file open, start by clicking on the text tool. You'll want to choose a bold font and type in a single letter. Next, click on the selection tool in your toolbar and then click on the letter. We're going to go up to the top menu bar, click on Object, and scroll down to Expand. This will allow us to see the letter with vector points. Click OK in the Expand menu panel. Next, go up to Edit and copy your selected letter. Repeat the steps by creating one more copy. You should have a total of 3 letters. Go to your toolbar, click on the Transform tool. Now you are going to create 3 different sizes with each of your letters. Assign a different color to each of the 3 letters by clicking on your swatch panel, located in the panels to the right side of the screen. Select all 3 objects, go to your top menu bar, select Object, scroll down to the Blend, and choose Make. Thank you for watching.